Quotes Motivational channel have 1.2 million subscribers, and this channel uploads simple motivation video in for month ago, and he gets 6.9 million views on his video. This channel gets million views almost in every video. In today's video, I will show you how to make faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools, and I will show you for ways to make motivation video using AI. Now, let's get started. First, go to the ChatGPT and type here give 20 YouTube channel name about motivation. Choose the channel name unique and easy to remember. For example, I will choose Unlock Your Success. After that, ask ChatGPT to write YouTube descriptions also. If you didn't like descriptions, you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite again, but I will ask to make descriptions simple and short. Ask last things to write YouTube slogan, which we will use in our YouTube banner. Then, copy the name and description and paste into the YouTube. Now, go to the Canva and search your YouTube channel logo. Edit your channel logo, whatever you like, but make it logo catchy and interesting. After finish your editing, download the photo and upload in your YouTube channel. After that, we need YouTube banner, search here in Canva. Then, go to the ChatGPT and choose the slogan which you like the most. For example, I will choose this and paste into the Canva and edit your text. Don't forget to add like, comment and subscribe button. Once you've done your editing, download the photo and upload in your YouTube channel and make it publish. Our channel branding was done. Now, you need to video to upload here. I will show you for types of videos. Choose the video which you like the most. Now, back to the ChatGPT. We need story for our video. Type here, write a short motivate story of a boy. Now we have a story, but we need also images to make our video interesting. We will use Leonardo AI to generate our image. Type here, write the prompts to generate the images of the story. Then, come to the Leonardo AI and sign up here for free. After that, you come here this type of page and click here AI images generation. Now, we have to write prompts here, but we already generate image prompts using ChatGPT. Then copy the first image prompts and back to the Leonardo AI and paste the prompts here and click on generate. When image is ready, choose the image which you like the most and download that image. Now, you have to repeat this process step by step, and when you finish to generate image, then head off to the v.io. We need voice for our video. For that, go the audio and click on text. Then, back to the ChatGPT and copy the whole story and paste here. Then choose the voice you like the most and click on generate. Our voice was generate. Now we need images which was generated by Leonardo AI. After that, combine your voice and photo in v.io. Make sure that your voice and images match. Now, we need subtitles in our video. For that, click on auto transcribe and click on create. When subtitles is ready, edit the subtitles, change color, style and many things. Now, we need background music for our video. I will suggest you to download the music from YouTube audio library because it was copyright free, but I already downloaded the video. I will simply add music on my video. Once you've done your editing, click on done and export the video. Now, let's look our final video how it was look like.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young boy named Alex. He was a shy and introverted child, often keeping to himself and lacking confidence in his abilities.
It was first way to make motivation video. Now, I will show you second way. Then, go to the ChatGPT and type here write a short motivation story which was told by Albert Einstein. If you didn't like this type of story, you can ask again to ChatGPT, write 10 quotes which was told by Albert Einstein. Then, copy the whole text and head off to the 11 labs and paste your quotes here. Then choose the voice which you like the most and click on generate. You have to wait just a minute. When voice is ready, click on download and head off to the Leonardo AI and type here Albert Einstein and click on generate. Then download that image. We're going to make our character talk. and head off to the DID and click on Create Video, and upload a photo, which was generated by Leonardo AI. Then, upload your audio file, which was generated by 11 Labs. After that, click on Generate Video. Then, you have to wait some minute. When video was ready, go to the v.io and add subtitles and background music. If you have any problem while making videos, comment down below. Now, let's look our final video.
Number 10. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Number 9. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Number 8. Strive not to be...
Now, we're going to make our motivation video in third way. For that, come here in Steve AI and sign up for free. After that, you come this type of page and click on text to video. Now, we need script for our video. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT and type here, write a short motivation story about business. When story is ready, copy the whole text and head off to the Steve AI and paste your story here. Then, click here in Auto Voiceover and Auto Highlights. After that, click here in Next. Choose the video style which you like most. You can also edit your video here. When you finish your editing, click on Publish and download the video. But it will come with watermark. We have to remove this watermark before we upload the video in YouTube. Come here in this websites and click on Remove Logo from Video. Then upload your video here and select the area of the logo and click on Save. Now let's look our final video, how it was look like.
Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a young entrepreneur named Sarah. She had a burning desire to start her own business and make a positive impact on the world. However, Sarah faced numerous challenges and setbacks along her journey.
Now, I will show you fourth way to make motivation video, but it was animation video which was also created by Steve AI. When you come this page, you have to choose here text to animation. Don't choose text to video. After that, you have to do the same process, which I already show you in previous video, but I will show you how animation video was look like.
Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a young entrepreneur named Sarah. She had a burning desire to start her own business and make a positive impact on the world. However, Sarah faced numerous challenges.
It was also good. Don't forget to tell me which motivation video was good. Also, if you have any problem while making this type of video, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.